Hello, I've decided to have a snack before entering the Rod Laver Arena tonight. I got myself a couple of crispy chicken sushi from an outlet along Flinders Street Station, just on what is it, the Swanson Street side? No, what's the road past Swanson Street? I've gone blank on the name. Anyway, when Swanson Street crosses over Flinders, it changes names. St Kilda Road. Yep, so 2 crispy chicken sushi. Price is usually quite inflated inside the Rod Laver Arena, just like an airport. So this is better value. The crispy part felt a bit sharp, but that's okay. Just the crispiness of the skin. But ooh, that was a little bit painful. Wash it down with some coffee. Help me keep me awake. It's just a day off for me, so I haven't been using much energy. I'm sure I'll be really energized when City Lauper hits the stage. Girls just wanna have fun. Yeah, girls just wanna have fun.